Hello everyone, I'm the Enforcer, and welcome back to the Day 439 Short War Summary. Make sure to like and subscribe to get more videos like these. The commander of the Terra unit has now announced today that a Ukrainian counteroffensive in Bakhmut has reclaimed an entire kilometer of ground.
О 3 ранку, о 4:30 вже були на позиції. Працюємо, маємо результат. Кілометр, цілий кілометр української землі очищений і звільнений від вагнерівців, звільнений від москалів, звільнений від загарбників. Продовжуємо працювати. Думаю, що це на сьогодні ще не все. Перемога буде за нами. Слава Україні!
In this next clip, a Russian machine gun crew on the top floor of a Khrushchevka block inside of Bakhmut was blown away by Ukrainian artillery. Air defenses were active tonight over Kyiv as Shahed 136 drones began to fly over the city. In this video, we'll be watching the successful interception of at least one of these Shahed drones. Make sure to subscribe, and also we run live streams every single night except for Mondays at 10 p.m. Eastern Time, covering the past 24 hours of the war. Thank you all once again, and I will see you all in the next one.